Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a get ready with me, and it's today is July 3rd, tomorrow's the 4th of July, so I'm gonna go see fireworks I'm gonna go at 5:30, between 5:30 and 6, but it starts at 9, so yeah. But it takes us a little bit to get there, like 30 minutes or whatever, but we need to find a spot because it's filled. I need to get ready for it because I cannot go in a Lakers jersey that I wore yesterday. So, I'm throwing with those idols in dusty Bible. Now, for the 4th of July, I don't have anything to wear. Or for today, I have nothing to wear. Like, can I just, wear this? Pink, red, blue. I'll find something white. I was thinking I could wear maybe this goat. Hang on, I know I have something. I don't know, but I have this blue shirt from DSG. I don't know what that brand is, but I see it a lot. But here's the shirt I think I'm gonna wear. We'll see. I think I have something. Oh, well, I have this shirt that I've never worn. It's a Jordan shirt, and it has red, white, and blue in it. Cause look, so blue, red, and white. I think we found a game winner, but this thing seems big on me. Yeah, this be real. Now it's all the way up here. Let's put it down to a normal size. And it's down to there. We'll try it, but if that doesn't work, I'm just gonna keep it in the back of my drawer so that I can grow into it, Let's find some shorts because it is hot out. I was out there when the sun wasn't out, yesterday, and it is hot. So, I mean, it's not the same color blue, but it is what it is because it's 4th of July. I'm thinking here's what I'm thinking. I need stuff for the 4th of July, which is tomorrow. This is just a thing before, fun. So I'm going to keep this in my drawer for tomorrow and try it on. You guys will know what I'm wearing for that. And I'll wear these tomorrow too. But today, I'm just going with these Nike shorts. Not the same color blue, but it is what it is. I mean, I have these lacrosse shorts, but I need some red. I don't have any red clothes. I have I have this Patrick Mahomes jersey. I have this Jordan shirt, which it might look pink to you, but it's this part's red, that part's red. I'm gonna ask my mom, maybe. Oh, it's that. Let's see if I actually have any other clothes that this is a messy jersey. It's not. It's just that. I'm digging through my whole drawer. Oh, there this is. I'm looking for that. Let's keep digging. I found something that saved my life. So I went to a Red Bulls game and it was Superhero Day. All the players were wearing Captain America shirts and I got one. So I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. Hopefully it still fits me. It's from like 1st grade. I'm in 4th grade now. Well, it's summer, so. Well, I'm gonna keep this at the top of my drawer. I'm gonna try to find what I was looking at before. Here it is, it's buried. One second. So, like, this is my drawer now, because I was, like, trying to dig through everything. If you come, like, it's kind of hard to, like, it's really hard to show you, but, like, if you don't see it, sorry. I'll fix it later. Okay, we got this shirt, top of my drawer for tomorrow. Okay. I'm wearing what I'm gonna see if I could wear. See if it fits me first. What's this? But if it doesn't fit me, I'm going back to the blue shirt. So just turn it up like this. Now, I think we're taking me and my little sister's friends there. Let's see if it fits. And I'm just gonna take this off because I don't want my mom to know I never wore that. I can't get this like thing out. Got the little sucker. Okay, like I'm gonna show you how big this is. Right, look, it is huge. Like, watch, if I try to stand it up, like it looks like, look how baggy it is. I could fit a whole nother person in here. Look at the arm sleeves, bro. And if you wear clothes like big on you, like they're almost, my shirt's like, it covers these shorts. That's how huge this is. I'm probably just gonna tuck it in though. But it is what it is, what it is, what it is, what it is. Do, 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 do. I can't get this just. Clothes keep getting stuck in there. Okay. And I want you guys to show some love and support to Dark Knife _ I think N4, something like that. It's what his thing looks like, his profile. It's like a really dark blue background and then a white D for Dark Knife. So I don't know if that's the kid who, he has a YouTube channel. He has 16 subscribers or whatever, but that's the guy who did the other ice bucket challenge that I posted on my YouTube. Now, I'm thinking silver chain for today. I'm thinking this chain for today has a cross, because I also have this chain. I think I'm gonna wear the silver one today just because it matches more with the fit. So we're gonna. Oh, and I have something else to show you guys, and then I'm gonna get this video wrapped up. To be honest, guys, I put the hook at the last one so it's shorter, because if you know, you know. So yeah, but then, guys, I have this, like, my dad found it, like, on the counter, this necklace. I know, like, look, you can't do that. It's magnetic. Look, just put it on like this. It is sick and all, but, like, for real, it gets pinched my skin sometimes, pinched my hair. Like, look, it hurts. Ow. I need a haircut, guys. Real bad. Like, did my hair, like, shrink? Because yesterday it was, like, down to my shoulder. Yeah, it's supposed to be up here. It grew a lot. So I'm just gonna put this back. Like, I don't even know if I should wear two like this, you know? Yeah, let me know next time. For some reason, it doesn't turn the comments on any video. So, that's that. Now, I do some deodorant on because, you know, I be stinky. So, I'll be right back. Okay. And I'm ready. Brush my teeth, not my hair yet. As you can see, it's pretty messed up. But let's see the fit. Okay, I got this from Dick's. These from Pennsylvania at Dick's. So fit. Like, I know these shorts don't match the best, but like that's all I have, so you know it is what it is. Alright, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and go check out my other videos if you like this one and you're new. Alright, as always, adios amigos.